Throughout the world and across the nation, transportation is becoming more reliant on technological solutions to our traffic problems. New technologies can yield similar benefits as the more traditional solutions, but with far less environmental impacts. This, combined with improved transit services, can have immediate and lasting beneficial effects at a far lower cost while benefiting the environment. That is why operational improvements along the I-80 corridor are being implemented to improve traffic flow for the freeway and local streets, and improve transit service, not to mention improve safety and reduce traffic congestion during an incident. The I-80 Integrated Corridor Mobility Project, or ICM, will apply new technologies and strategies for reducing congestion, expanding traveler information, and improving safety along the corridor. So what is ICM? It's not just one thing, it's many things working together. The major components are adaptive ramp metering, incident management, local street improvements, transit and traffic information, and system integration. Let's take a look at each of these. On the freeway, ramps connecting the arterial streets to I-80 are heavily used during the commute hour. Sometimes, too much traffic gets on at one ramp and the freeway backs up. That is why the I-80 ICM project includes ramp metering at 40 on-ramps. Ramp metering is more than just a traffic light. It's a way to make the freeway flow more evenly and improve the merging of vehicles onto the freeway, which reduces accidents and improves travel time reliability. Adaptive ramp metering is a proven traffic management tool that uses the latest technology to increase freeway throughput by spreading out platoons of vehicles entering at each ramp. Adaptive ramp metering signals operate as part of a coordinated control system, communicating with each other and working together to reduce the merging conflicts that can lead to accidents. The coordinated system works to distribute ramp delays across a number of on-ramps and balance flow along adjacent ramps. There may be times when the on-ramp wait time is a little longer. This means the ramp signals are working together to manage traffic flow. Vehicle detection loops installed under the pavement at the entrance to the on-ramp will monitor queue lengths. If the traffic demand on the ramp is high, these detection loops will send a message to the ramp meter to allow cars onto the freeway at a faster rate and prevent vehicles from backing up onto the local street. With the freeway flowing more smoothly, we can expect fewer incidents. But what happens when an accident does occur? Today, when there is an accident on I-80, traffic quickly backs up and drivers may not be aware of stopped conditions ahead. This leads to secondary accidents. Rear-end collisions are common on this corridor, with a higher rate of accidents in the westbound direction between Cutting Boulevard and Powell Street. Incident management on the freeway involves providing drivers with real-time information to decide which route or transportation mode to use. Drivers will receive information on overhead message signs indicating downstream lane conditions, such as lane closure information, or suggesting reduced speeds on successive sign structures to slow down in advance of a backup caused by an accident. Variable speed signs will be installed in both directions of I-80, displaying advisory speeds during an incident to slow down traffic ahead of a backup. This will result in fewer rear-end collisions and smoother traffic flow. Local streets are impacted by freeway accidents too. Some drivers will exit the freeway and use local arterials to pass an incident and avoid traffic congestion. Drivers can only guess what their best alternate route might be, where the accident is located, and when to get back onto the freeway. Incident management on local streets involves the installation of informational message signs, also known as trailblazer signs, at major intersections along San Pablo Avenue to advise drivers of the appropriate point to return to the freeway when they have passed the freeway accident. Local drivers will also benefit by receiving this information before reaching the freeway. Along San Pablo Avenue and the connector streets, traffic signal timing will be modified with longer green times to move heavy incident traffic through the corridor more quickly and back to the freeway. This will also allow local streets to return to normal conditions more quickly than without these tools. Other enhancements will be made on San Pablo Avenue and other local streets.